I got it on the deck already.
Oh, really?
With the remote. I do this a lot. It's kind of annoying with my muffs, but...
So what's the 2 side ropes for?
That's just so I can alternate, because I don't really want to use this. Normally I'd use this and just 1 lanyard to go up a tree, but I'm going to use 2 of these so that way when I unclip to advance the next thing, you know, I'll probably free climb this a little bit until I get to about there.
You're on the way. Look out.
Yeah, she feels pretty solid to me.
Probably will till you get up past that plastic shit.
All clear?
Well, that was good. That was easy.
Okay, so there's a cable obviously running to this top thing. I gotta cut it. That's cool?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think there's anything.
But not bad. Yeah. I don't need any fucking lightning right now, I can tell you that.
That's why I was just asking how you thought of the clouds.
Just hanging out watching the storm.
Because you don't, well, at least our phones will go off when it's lightning by.
When you're in the boat, you always want to get out right when it's ahead of the storm.
All right, no dogs or anything under there?